Hello everyone, good morning. Well, it's a chilly morning outside, and I really don't wish to get out of this bed. It's really cozy and feels like I should sleep again. So, today I'm walking you through my morning routine, simple steps, strong English, and zero chaos. So, follow along and repeat the useful phrases with me. Okay, so number one step that I do after waking up is to splash some cold water on my face and feel human again. Mornings, as you all know, are really messy. Okay, so the first and the foremost step is to, pump out a little face wash and splash some cold water. All right, that's more like it. Now I'm feeling refreshed. Now let's head on to brushing, which is again the most important step. Guys, don't forget to brush your teeth. Now that I've brushed my teeth and my mouth feel instantly really fresh, minty, I am going to go ahead with the mouthwash part as well, because this claims that it removes 99% germs. So yeah, I want to kill all those germs, bacterias, whatever that sits in my mouth. So let's do that. Let's take a shot, bottoms up. You see, the taste after you do the mouthwash, it's unpopular opinion. I mean, who all agrees with me, guys? Please let me know in the comments down below. Okay, now that we're done with the two main important parts, that was the face wash and the brushing, I am going to go ahead with some skincare with my lotions and potions. I'm going to lather my face with few of my skincare. Well, my skincare does not include so many steps. It's just three, and out of three, I've already done number one step. That was cleansing part. Now I'm going to go ahead with some moisturizer and sunscreen if required. Okay, so I'm gonna go and do the moisturizer part. I'm sorry. Yeah, so generally I use this moisturizer. This is called Embrolis, and this is really hydrating, and I basically use it on my dry days as in when my skin is feeling dry, not the other dry day. All right, so let's add some moisture to the face to feel alive and get out of that dead skin. Guys, skincare is self-care. Please remember that. Skincare is self-care. Yeah, so that we're done. Also, sometimes uh, not every day, but sometimes I use this as well, just to brighten up my face. This is Fix Derma's Scar Fix Depigmentation and Brightening Face Serum. It has few of the good acids which are good for your skin. So yeah, let's get ahead with the day. I'm almost done with my skincare. This is the sunscreen that I use. This is the sunscreen that I use. So yeah, I'm gonna do the sunscreen part and then come back. So I'm done with my 3-step ritual: cleansing, moisturizing, sunscreen, and yeah, that's it. Guys, good skin does not happen by accident. Also, I love this part, the skincare part, because it feels like I'm putting myself together piece by piece, a little glow, and I instantly look awake, alert, and ready to conquer, even if I woke up like confused potato 5 minutes ago. You have all seen that. So yes, skincare first, chaos later. If you look good, you feel good, and if you feel good, you get things done. Alright, guys, now step one is done, and now moving on to step number two is to satiate your hunger, which is very important. Let's head to the kitchen and I will show you how smart planning works. You wait and see. Alright, guys, welcome to my kitchen. Well, let's go ahead and cook for the day. Sorry for the camera angle, guys. When I will start cooking, I will fix you somewhere you can see. And please forgive me for the camera angle. Well, this is what smart planning looks like. So I already made my veggie semolina chilla batter last night, and I make semolina with yogurt, added chopped coriander, chopped onion, tomatoes, capsicum, and a pinch of spices for attitude. And I let it sit overnight so it could soak the flavor and thicken beautifully. So yeah, I already set myself up for the success and did the groundwork. All right, now let's move ahead and start cooking. So I put the pan on the stove and turn the flame to medium. Medium heat is like the middle part in life, which is balanced and dependable, not too fiery and not too lazy. Anyway, so after that, I drizzled some oil, just enough to keep the things from sticking, because if it is sticky, it won't come out really good. It will break. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is, with the help of this ladle, I'm going to scoop the chilla batter and going to spread it out evenly on the pan. Scoop out the chilla batter and we are going to spread it out evenly on the pan. And now we wait. The secret is good food doesn't like to be rushed. Now when the edges of the chilla turns golden brown, that is our cue to flip it. You know, crispy from the edges and gooey or soft from the inside. Alright, so the chillas are done. I'll save my strong coffee for later in the day when my brain asks for it. Let's enjoy. So that's my morning routine. No fuss, no rush, just small habits that make a big difference. Now you try to describe your morning routine in English, even if it is just two sentences, because practice makes progress and progress builds confidence. I'm going to dig in before this gets cold. You have a fantastic morning and seize the day like you own it. See you soon. Bye.